Hello everyone, this is Pinliang Ilocano Vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Before I start, guys, please subscribe to my channel, Hermie Barnese, and my Facebook account, my personal account in Facebook, Pinliang Ilocano Vlog. So, ayan guys, ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-shake-shake gamit ang puwet, guys. So, ayan guys, tayo lang tayo dito. Yan, tapos iduriri lang yung puwet, guys. Ganyan, ibaba yung dibdib, ganyan lang, guys. Tapos, ganyan lang yung ano nyo. Parang hindi nyo naman kakagatin masyado yung times nyo, ganyan. Tapos, ano lang siya, guys. I-bend yung isang paa, yung kaliwang paa, ganyan, guys. Tapos, ito naman, ganyan. So, yan, guys, parang nagaganyan ka na, guys. At mag-shake ka na, guys, ganyan. So, yan guys, mag-shake ka lang ng ganyan. So, yan guys. Ito, subukan natin. Let's go!
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake that healthy butt. Baby got butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Now when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you